Did you know you are using your grater wrong? Let me show you exactly an easy way to use this grater, and stay tuned till the end of this video because I have a bonus tip you don't want to miss. Using a grater over a bowl, as you can see, this bowl is just not going to be big enough. So what you can do is take your cheese and then go ahead and put your grater on the side like this and grate your cheese down here. And then what you have is all of the cheese that's inside, and then you can put it on your dish just like that. This is going to help prevent you from having more dishes when you just need a little bit of cheese. And now for our bonus, what I like to do is take my cheese grater and prop it up like that. Then I'm going to add some oil of your choice. I will also link this oil dispenser below because it actually will spray, do a stream, and pour. Today we're going to be using the spray, and I'm just going to spray on top. And then take your cheese grater and go ahead and grate your cheese. This will help prevent the cheese from sticking to the grater. This also makes cleanup so much easier. If you want to know what to do with leftover bread clips, click on the video link on screen and we'll see you next time. Bye.